Tiguan. Plate out. Wheels out. Both sides. T25 both sides. T25, T25. Other side. Now T25 2. Now this T25 2. Now this decoration list, push from this one and remove like this. Yeah, we also have one 6M bolt here. Okay, so this two. Now this is free. Remove this side first. So this is out. Be careful with this parking sensor wiring. It's very short. So this hook system is really sized up. I can't remove it, so I'm trying to pull it to my side and remove the bulb. No, I mean the light assembly. You cannot change the bulb. You have to change the wall assembly. So remove the connector first, and you have two T25. Second one. So this is the one. It is not changeable, it's fixed. So I have the new one. Look at the new one. Yeah, we have the new one. It's the same, but you have to change, this clip towards here. That's it. The clip is in. Let's go assemble. It will go like this. Okay, so new is in. Let's tighten the screw. Screw it tightened. Put the cable in the clip. After back on. Okay, there you go. Put one side and the other side. Use the screw holes as aligning, push it in. And there you go. So put everything back together, like reverse order. And that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. If possible, subscribe also. Thank you.